All right, so I've done my math facts, and now I'm on to, I got 100%. So I just wrote down there's 50, so I got 100%. I can write 100% or 50 out of 50. So score is 50. It says you can check with the calculator if you need, or you can just write it down and I can fix that. So review minute 20. Here we go. Which of these has more minutes? 2 hours or 20 minutes? If you didn't know this, so every hour has 60 minutes. So you would do 60 times 2, which gets to 120 minutes. So which one is more? B. Next. If you fit these two shapes together, which shape would you have? So if I put this shape inside this shape, would it be more of a rectangle or more of a square? And I'm just going to draw that shape on this side. So it would look like this shape, which is this one. Next, 2/5 times 3/7. And we're just going to multiply across. So 2 times 3 is 6. And 5 times 7 is 35. And this is our answer. Next. And I guess which of these shapes will you have? A square. I didn't finish that up there. Anyway. For problems 6 through 4, use the Venn diagram to the right. How many people like chocolate only? Just chocolate? 5. How many people like caramel only? Just 4. How many people like both? So when you see on a Venn diagram that they touch, that means that they like both. So it'd be 3. A question they could have said is how many people took this survey. You would do 5 plus 3 plus 4. All right. Next. If 3x equals 21, then x equals. So I'm going to remind you guys, when you see 3x, they actually mean there's a symbol there. If you're doing the times, they don't mean there's a symbol there. You're doing the function of multiplication if you do not see a symbol. So this would be the same as 3x, 3 times x equals 24. The way you can do this is you can just count in your head how many times is 3 going to 21. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can put 7. Or what you can do to isolate the variable is you can divide by 3 both sides. This cancels this side out and leaves x equals 21 over 3, which is the same as 21 divided by 3, which gets you to 7. So the answer is 7. Okay, complete the pattern. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So I is the one that comes next. They just skipped every other letter. They're just looking to see if you know patterns in math. It might seem simple, but it is important to pay attention to patterns. Okay, so here we're subtracting decimals, and I want to point out that when you're subtracting decimals, you're lining your decimals and your place values up. If you do not line up your decimals, then you will be wrong. So please make sure you line up your decimals. I don't know how I managed to get the only pencil in this entire classroom without an eraser, but I did it. Ooh, look at me be a thinker. I found an eraser. Like this. Sorry, that was going to bother me because I had too many lines there. Okay, so we're just subtracting. So we can't take 8 away from 3, so we're going to borrow and turn this into a 3 and say 13. 13, or 1 and, anyway, 13 take away 8 is 5. No, it's not. It's 6. No, it's not. It's 7. Oh my gosh. What am I doing? I really need to probably go home and take it out. Let's do this. Let's check. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's 5. I was right the first time. don't know what happened. Then it kept going up. I don't know what I was looking at. Anyway, 3 take away 6. We can't do that, so we're going to borrow and put that as 13. 13 take away 6 is 7. And we bring down our decimal right there. I should have done that. Actually, you know what? I'm going to do that right now on all of these. Just bring down your decimal so it doesn't get forgotten. Next. 7 and 5 tenths. 7 and 5 tenths. 8 tenths take away 6 tenths is 2 tenths. 5 take away 4 is 1. And 10 take away nothing is 10. Next one. 4 take away 5. We are going to use this and borrow. What? Literally. Need to stop. Go home and go to bed, I guess. 14 take away 5 is 9. 2 take away nothing is 2. And 20 take away nothing is 20. All right. Last problem is 10. We're multiplying these. And it doesn't really matter what order, because when you multiply numbers like this and there's no parentheses, it's the commutative property. So you can kind of do whatever you want. But I'm just going to go in order. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 2 times 5 is 10, and 10 times 7 is 70. All right.